Over 60, have you noticed that some mornings your vision feels a little blurry, and it takes a few minutes before things sharpen up? You walk into the kitchen to grab something, but the moment you open the refrigerator, you can't remember what you came for. You start a sentence with confidence, then suddenly the next word disappears from your mind. Even reading the newspaper or looking at your phone for just a couple of minutes makes your eyes tired, forcing you to pause and blink to regain focus. It can feel frustrating, even a little worrying, and it's easy to assume, well, I'm getting older. This is just how things are now. But the truth is, these issues are not something you have to simply accept. They're not an unavoidable part of aging. Your brain and your eyes are still working hard every single night to repair themselves, to clear out damaged cells, and to support your memory and focus. They haven't stopped trying. They just need the right nutrients to keep doing their job well. That's exactly why you should keep watching. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share 4 completely natural juices, easy to make, easy to drink, and particularly powerful for adults over 60. These juices can help your eyes feel clearer in the morning, strengthen your memory throughout the day, and most importantly, support the repair process that happens in your brain and eyes while you sleep. Even one small change, done consistently, can make a noticeable difference. I'm Dr. James Porter, and I've spent more than 25 years helping older adults stay sharp, energetic, and independent through simple, natural, science-backed habits. And here's something most people over 60 never hear from their doctors. More than 92% of seniors are missing at least one key nutrient their brain and eyes need to properly repair themselves during the night. When those nutrients are low, the repair process slows down, and that's when morning blurriness, forgetfulness, and mental fog start to show up more often. But the good news is this: the brain and eyes respond quickly when they finally get what they've been missing. In fact, many of my patients begin noticing small improvements in clarity, focus, or morning vision in just a few weeks after adding the right nutrients into their daily routine. And that's why today's video is so important. In a moment, I'm going to walk you through 4 powerful juices, simple combinations of natural foods that deliver exactly what your eyes and brain need to recharge at night. No pills, no complicated recipes, no expensive supplements. Just real ingredients that work with your biology and that you can start using as soon as today. So if you've been feeling like your memory isn't as sharp as it used to be, or your vision doesn't bounce back in the morning the way it once did, stay with me. You're about to learn exactly what to drink and when to give your brain and your eyes the support they've been waiting for. Every night while you sleep, your body enters one of the most important healing cycles of the entire day. And for adults over 60, this nighttime repair window becomes even more crucial. Your brain uses these hours to clear out damaged cells, rebuild connections that support memory and focus, and restore the neurotransmitters that keep your mind sharp. At the same time, your eyes work to repair the retina, calm inflammation, and recover from the strain of daily activities like reading, screen use, or bright light exposure. But here's the part most people don't realize. This repair cycle can only happen efficiently when your body has the right nutrients available. Without enough vitamin A, lutein, anthocyanins, folate, and natural nitric oxide boosters, the healing process slows down significantly. Instead of waking up with clear vision and a refreshed mind, you may wake up feeling foggy, unfocused, or noticing that familiar morning blur. The encouraging news is that your body is still fully capable of repairing itself. It just needs the right fuel to activate that process. And that's exactly why the juices I'm about to share are so powerful. The nutrients they contain work with your natural nighttime biology, giving your brain and your eyes exactly what they require to restore themselves while you sleep. In just a moment, I'll show you how each juice targets a specific part of the repair cycle, and how drinking them at the right time of day can make that repair process even stronger. Let's start with the first one, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Carrot juice. If there's one simple, inexpensive juice that most seniors overlook, but absolutely shouldn't, it's this one. Carrots are packed with natural beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, and vitamin A is one of the core fuels your retinas rely on every single day. When levels run low, you may notice dry eyes, trouble seeing in low light, or that familiar morning haze that takes time to clear. But what many people don't realize is that carrots also support your brain. They contain a compound called falcarinol, which helps reduce inflammation inside the neural pathways responsible for memory and focus. In fact, a recent study showed that adults who drank about 8 ounces of carrot juice daily for just 8 weeks improved their visual memory by more than 13%. That's a significant improvement for such a simple change. To get the full benefit, timing matters. Carrot juice is best in the morning because your eyes are still recovering from nighttime dryness and your retina is adjusting to daylight. Drinking it early gives your body the vitamin A it needs right when your vision is working hardest. And here's a small tip that makes a big difference. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs it better when paired with healthy fats. So enjoy your juice alongside a few walnuts, a slice of avocado toast, or even a small drizzle of olive oil in your breakfast. It helps your body use every drop of that vitamin A. For a simple recipe, juice 2 to 3 medium carrots with a thumb of ginger and a squeeze of lemon. It's refreshing, it's gentle on the stomach, and it gives your eyes a powerful head start for the day. Now let's move on to the second juice, one that works surprisingly fast and targets both memory and circulation. Beet juice. This is the juice most people over 60 never think about when it comes to memory or vision, but it should be at the very top of the list. Beet juice is one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is the molecule that relaxes your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to reach your brain and your eyes. Why is that important? Because after age 60, circulation naturally slows. When less blood reaches the areas responsible for memory, focus, and visual clarity, you may notice mental fog, slower reaction time, or blurry vision, especially in the afternoon when your energy dips. Beet juice helps reverse that dip by improving blood flow within just 30 minutes of drinking it. A study on adults over 60 found that those who drank beet juice experienced increased blood flow to the frontal lobes, the part of the brain involved in planning, decision-making, and memory. Another study showed that nitric oxide helps protect the tiny blood vessels in the retina, which support sharp, clear vision. This makes beet juice one of the most effective natural tools for maintaining both cognitive function and eye health. To get these benefits, timing is key. Beet juice works best in the early afternoon, between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. This is the time of day when circulation slows and energy tends to drop, making it the perfect window to give your brain and eyes a boost. A simple recipe is to juice 1 medium beet with an apple and half an orange or lemon. The fruit cuts the earthy taste and adds antioxidants that support the nitric oxide process. And here's a bonus tip. After you drink it, take a 10-minute walk. Movement helps your body circulate the nitric oxide even faster, amplifying the benefits for both your mind and your vision. Now let's move to the third juice, one that doesn't just protect your brain and eyes, but actually helps rebuild what time has taken away. Blueberry juice. Unlike many foods that simply protect your brain and eyes, blueberries actually help rebuild what aging has worn down. They're rich in powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which don't just reduce inflammation. They stimulate the growth of new brain cells and strengthen the communication pathways that support memory, focus, and quick thinking. This is one of the rare natural foods shown to promote neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, even in older adults. Several studies back this up. In a 12-week trial, older adults who drank blueberry juice daily showed noticeable improvements in memory, processing speed, and even brain activity on MRI scans. Their brains literally functioned more efficiently after just a few weeks. And it doesn't stop there. Blueberries help protect the delicate retinal ganglion cells in the eyes, the cells responsible for sending visual information to the brain. Protecting these cells can mean clearer vision, better contrast, and less strain when reading. One of my patients, Helen, 74 years old, struggled with reading for more than a few minutes and had given up her daily crossword puzzles because she felt mentally slow and easily fatigued. She started drinking blueberry juice in the evening, about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Within a few weeks, she was not only reading again, but finishing her crossword puzzles with more confidence than she'd had in years. That's the kind of improvement these antioxidants can support when used consistently. Blueberry juice works especially well at night, because the brain performs its deepest repair cycles during sleep. Giving your body anthocyanins before bed allows them to support the natural restoration process while you're resting. To make it, blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with water or a splash of almond milk. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother texture, but keeping the pulp gives you extra fiber and nutrients. Drink it in the evening as a calming, nourishing ritual before you wind down for the night. Now, let's move on to the fourth juice, one that's often overlooked but is incredibly powerful for both vision and cognitive longevity. Spinach juice. This is one of the most underrated juices for seniors, yet it delivers some of the strongest support for long-term brain and eye health. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that concentrate in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As you age, the macula becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can lead to blurriness, eye fatigue, and difficulty seeing in bright or low light. Giving your eyes a steady supply of lutein and zeaxanthin helps protect these cells and keep your vision clearer for longer. Spinach also contains folate and vitamin K, nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy brain function. Folate helps lower homocysteine, a compound that tends to rise with age and is strongly linked to memory decline and cognitive slowdown. Vitamin K supports the formation of key brain chemicals that help you stay mentally sharp. In a study of older adults, increasing folate intake led to measurable improvements in memory and attention within just a few weeks. For many seniors, spinach juice becomes a gentle, natural way to support both vision and mental clarity without relying on heavy supplements. And despite its reputation, spinach juice can actually taste refreshing when paired with the right ingredients. As with the other juices, timing makes a difference. Spinach juice works best late morning or around lunchtime, when your energy begins to dip and your brain is transitioning into the more active part of the day. To prepare it, juice 1 generous handful of fresh spinach with half an apple and a few slices of cucumber. This combination adds hydration and natural sweetness while keeping the drink light and easy to digest. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can blend the ingredients instead and add a splash of water. If you have a history of kidney stones, you may want to drink spinach juice in moderation due to its natural oxalate content. Otherwise, it's one of the simplest ways to give your eyes and brain the nutrients they've been missing. Now that we've covered all 4 juices, let's put them together into a simple daily routine, or what I like to call your one-day restoration plan, to help you get the most benefit with the least effort. Here's how to bring all 4 juices together into one simple, realistic daily plan, one that supports your vision, your memory, and your overall energy without overwhelming your routine. Think of this as a gentle guide, not a strict set of rules. Most seniors find that even following just part of this plan leads to noticeable improvements within a couple of weeks. Start your morning with carrot juice. Your eyes are adjusting from hours of darkness to daylight, and your retinas are working harder than at any other time of day. Giving your body vitamin A and beta-carotene first thing helps reduce that morning haze and supports clearer vision as you begin your day. Pair it with a small source of healthy fats to maximize absorption, It can be as simple as a handful of walnuts or a slice of avocado. Around late morning or lunchtime, enjoy spinach juice. This is when your brain shifts into its more active mode. And the folate, vitamin K, lutein and zeaxanthin give both your mind and eyes a steady supply of the nutrients they need to stay focused and protected. Many people notice they feel more alert after drinking it, without the jittery feeling caffeine sometimes causes. In the afternoon, between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., reach for beet juice. This is the time when circulation slows, energy dips, and mental fog becomes more noticeable. Beet juice helps open up your blood vessels, boosting blood flow to your brain and eyes right when they need it most. A short walk afterward amplifies the effect and helps you feel clearer and more awake. As evening arrives, wind down with blueberry juice, ideally about an hour before bed. The anthocyanins support the repair work your brain and eyes do while you sleep, helping you wake up with better mental clarity and less morning blurriness. Many seniors find this evening ritual calming and enjoyable, making it easier to drift into deeper, more restorative rest. And here's the most important part. You don't need to drink all 4 juices every single day. 2 a day is perfectly fine. Even 1 a day can make a difference when done consistently. The goal isn't perfection, it's steady support. Small habits compound quickly, especially when they work with your body's natural repair cycles. If you follow this plan for a week or 2, you may be surprised by how much clearer your mornings feel, how much more focused you are in the afternoon, and how much more confident you feel in your day-to-day thinking. Now let's take a moment to talk about why these small changes matter more than most people realize. When you reach your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, it's easy to fall into the belief that your best days of clarity and sharp vision are behind you. Many people tell themselves, "This is just aging," or "There's nothing I can do about it now." But that simply isn't true. Your body is far more resilient than you think. Your brain is still capable of building new connections. Your eyes are still able to repair damaged cells, and your nervous system can still adapt, strengthen, and improve at any age. I've seen it over and over again in my patients. Individuals who thought decline was inevitable suddenly finding themselves reading more comfortably, remembering conversations more clearly, waking up with less fog, and feeling more confident in their thinking. Not because they took drastic measures, but because they made small, consistent choices that worked with their biology instead of against it. That's why I want you to remember this. Your brain and your vision have not given up on you. They are still working for you every single night. They are still trying to repair, rebuild, and protect you. All they need is the nourishment to do it well. Even 1 juice a day can be the spark that helps your mind and eyes feel more alive again. And if you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you. It shows that you genuinely care about your health, your independence, and your quality of life. It means you're willing to take steps, big or small, to feel better and stay sharper for the years ahead. If you found this helpful, please tap the like button. It lets YouTube know this is the kind of information seniors want to see more of. Share this video with a friend or family member who might benefit. And if you'd like more simple, science-backed tips to support your brain, vision, balance, sleep, and overall wellness after 60, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which of the 4 juices are you most excited to try first? Your answer might inspire someone else who reads the comments. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.